A tax return in Italy is not the end of the tax process, it's the beginning. It sounds crazy, I know. The whole workflow starts with your codice fiscale, that is the first step towards the Italian Revenue Agency, and that's what confirms you're officially in their records. From that moment onwards, they begin to, simply because they're entitled to, by national regulations and international tax agreements, to cross-check every fiscal information you provide. And this is where almost 90-95% of tax audits come from. It could be a registration of a rental contract, a medical expense when you provide your fiscal code for the payment, or as just said at the beginning, a tax return filing. These things build an impressive database in the hands of the Italian Revenue Agency. So what happens then? Well, they collect information over and over also from foreign sources. Thanks to the FATCA and to Common Reporting Standards Agreement, they have access to bank statements, revenues, investments, and retirement account from all over the world. So when you file your taxes, you sign the form and you click on send. You confirm the data and numbers included in the tax return. You say, yes, these numbers are true and correct. It's a statement. Following from that, in case you forgot about something you had abroad, it could be a bank account or even just a single occasional work revenue, the Italian Revenue Agency will have the power to audit you and more likely estimate fines and penalties for the mistake. Filing your taxes is like giving the ignition to the tax audit process. They finally have a good reason to debate and throw data objections on you. So this is the takeout. Filing your Italian taxes is not about figuring out just the tax bill, applying tax treaties, or like a lot of taxpayers think, pay as less as possible. I would say the biggest issue is not delivering any kind of information incomplete or incorrect that could flip back against you in the future. So asking for some help to an average commercialista, an average tax guy who has a deep knowledge of Italian matter but just a decent one of foreign documents will put your name on top of the audit list.